Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Reese number 810C. This is a door sweep in a clear anodized aluminum finish with a vinyl insert. So the 810, the hallmark of the 810 is this. The fasteners are concealed. So it's going to give you a nice, concealed, even elegant sort of look where you're not going to see the heads of the screws. And that's because this trim piece, and I've got it just partially pushed in, snaps into the holder that holds the vinyl. So you've got a little hook that is here and a hook that is under the holder. And that basically, when you get that brought, it's hard to do it because these two pieces, this is a 4-foot piece, and they're kind of not cooperating. You get that hooked in, and then you push the top in, it will snap that flush, and you'll snap it down the entire length, giving a very clean look. So the inside is where you're going to see the screw holes, and you've got slotted holes all the way down. That snap cover, which this is clear anodized, not mill, so it's a clear finish. That's what mill looks like, so you can compare what mill looks like and what clear anodized looks like. It's a nice finished anodized look. It's also that cover, you can order it in D for dark bronze, and I'm very partial to Reese's dark bronze anodized. It looks very nice, very complementary to a very rich, regal dark bronze finish. Every manufacturer has different dark bronze anodized processes or finishes on their aluminum. I like Reese's a lot. Also available in G for a gold anodized. The insert is vinyl. Okay, it's a relatively thick piece of vinyl, as you can see. Now, let me give you some dimensional properties of the item. There is an image below this video that shows the dimensional properties. You can see that an overall height is about 1.5 inches. My tape measure will be a little bit off because it's not snapped on completely, but fairly close. 1.5 inches. You've got 1 inch worth of the height of the exposed aluminum portion, and then 5/8 worth of vinyl. You've got a thickness of the material at basically 7/16 of an inch. Okay, so just under ½ inch. It's not fully snapped on. So a lot of people, this is not a very common sweep, at least not for us to sell, and it's probably because of the cost, I would guess. But quite frankly, the look of it for the cost is just great. You don't see those screw heads. You don't see the fact that the screw is made of different material, the aluminum is made of different material, and it just will look over time increasingly less appropriate for a door onto which you wish it to look nicer rather than it doesn't matter. You might want this on the front door of an entry to a retail space, and on the steel door back where you take the deliveries, you can put the exposed screws back there, that sort of application. This is going to be available in several different lengths. We have it in the site from 2 foot to 8 foot, probably in 6-inch increments. If you have need for a custom length, by all means let us know by ordering the next longest piece or pieces and simply indicate in the comment field what length you'd like for us to cut the material back to. Now the reasoning is this. If you had to take this 4-foot piece and cut it down to say 42 inch, you're going to eliminate that first slotted hole that's there. The next one's all the way over here. And speaking of that slotted hole, screws are included. Okay, about 6 by 3/4 self-tapping screws, panhead Phillips drive. But the point of the matter is you're going to be stuck cutting all these pieces, cutting this trim, cutting the exposed cover plate, then drilling most likely a new slotted hole. And a slotted hole naturally is difficult to drill, and you want the slotted hole there from the factory because it allows you to take that door sweep and move it on the door so that you can get that constant seal. Because every sill is not level, every door is not plumb, every door is not a true rectangle. In field conditions, and every threshold's not tight down to the sill, the sub sill itself. You're not going to have an ideal condition some of the times, and the ability to tailor that on the door is crucial. No contact with the threshold is akin to not having a seal. Too much contact will complicate the door operating correctly. And if it's a fire-rated door and your door now no longer latches because you've got the seal bunched up at the bottom, and you got to pull the door closed, and it doesn't latch automatically by way of that self-closing device, you technically don't have a fire-rated door anymore. So the ability to get it tailored on the door perfectly is the purpose of those slotted holes. They also help account for a misdrilled hole. You know, when you're pre-drilling the screw hole, the hole for the screws, that drill bit has a tendency to walk a little bit if you've not used a center punch before it pierces in, regardless of drilling steel or wood, aluminum, fiberglass, stainless, bronze, whatever you're drilling into. So the slotted hole really does a good job. If you have need for a custom length, by all means let us know by ordering the next longest piece or pieces, and simply indicate in the comment field what length you'd like for us to cut the material back to. Now, there is a link below this video to a document called Product Brochure that will allow you to review a dozen or more door sweep options from Reese. I'm partial to Reese, and it's because I do like that dark bronze anodized, but they also promote a variety of different styles and types, and take note of the polyurethane insert material that's on that page as well. Now, polyurethane, and while they don't offer it in a concealed mount, is an outrageously durable insert material, far in excess of anything that would be silicone, neoprene, and certainly vinyl. So if you're looking for something that is at the top of the food chain of durability in terms of temperature, exposure to ultraviolet, mildew, fungus, any sort of material going to attack it, polyurethane can withstand most of that material. Reese promotes that use of polyurethane inserts because of how effective the material is. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Reese products that we sell, a link to the manufacturer's website, along with a link to the full product catalog. If you have more than an occasional need for Reese, more than an occasional need for weather stripping, familiarize yourself with the Reese catalog. The summary of Reese, why I use them. I've already mentioned how much I like the dark bronze anodized. But their extrusions on their thresholds seem to be thicker, and that's evidenced by the fact that they seem to weigh more. You got more material. They're going to have a nice complement of available dimensional thresholds that you can refer to their catalog and solve problems. They have a good broad offering of material. And again, it's their, so it's thick extrusion, nice dark bronze, polyurethane they promote as a reason. I like to do Reese when I'm doing something that's a bit more exposed, and I'm going to have, meaning a front door of a space, and I want the weather stripping to look every bit as good as that $2,000 exit device or door closer. If you have any questions on the Reese number 810C door sweep with a snap cover or any other Reese product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.